Hey everyone, welcome back to SRE Chronicles. In this video we are going to learn how to use Linux DIRNAME command, a small but very useful tool when working with file paths in shell scripting and on the commands line. Let's get started, but before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell. The DIRNAME command is a utility that extracts the directory portion of a given file path, removing the file name at the end and showing just the path leading up to it. For example, DIRNAME etc gnome menu list blacklist. Enter. The output simply shows the folder path, not the file itself. Here. The syntax for DIRNAME command is very simple. DIRNAME options and path. Here, a path is a file or directory you want to work with. What if the path ends with slash? DIRNAMEs will treat that as a directory and give you the parent path, the parent directory. For example, DIRNAME etc gnome slash. Enter. So, DIRNAME returns etc. And if a path is just root directory, DIRNAME still returns root directory slash because root doesn't have parent. For example, DIRNAME root. You can use a relative path to work with DIRNAMEs. Let's bring example. For example, DIRNAME downloads and let's DIRNAME downloads file.txt. We mentioned relative path. Oh, if you pass single name, for example, downloads or dot DIRNAME dot, it just returns dot, meaning current directory. So no matter what kind of path you give DIRNAME, it always pull out the directory portion. You can even give DIRNAME multiple paths in one command. It will process each separately. For example, let's clear the screen. DIRNAME downloads file.txt and etc gnome menus blacklist. Pretty neat for batch operation. You will often see DIRNAME used in shell scripts to get the directory contains a script or file, so that commands like cd, cpls can work with just a folder. It's also commonly paired with base name, which exactly just the file name instead of the directory. So that's all for this lesson. Also, for manual pages, you can use man DIRNAME. That's all. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.